Yeah, we're gonna speed up the installation here a little bit because it did take a while. I was trying to decide on where to position it, so um, ended up deciding to go up in the corner. I did use the magnetic mount. I think it's gonna be the best way to position it. I mean, yeah, granted, someone can easily take it, but you know, it really isn't that big of a deal to me. Just by using the magnetic mount up above. So when I was installing these, I was kind of trying to decide if the silicone base would work. If you see up above that, the glass dome, that's actually a fake camera I got off Amazon for like $3. Now that we're moving to the new one, gonna take that one out. The USB cable that is on the camera right now is not the one that I used. I actually used a 25-foot cable that I got on Amazon for, I think it was like seven or $8. Decided not to use the silicone case just because our front entryway is really well protected. Figured we'd save that for another camera that we end up using. It's really not going to do much. It's just going to give moisture a place to get trapped. All right, so as you can see, the installation is really straightforward. So again, I ordered an extra long USB cable. Just don't make the mistake I did and order one with the bent plug-in. Doesn't work on the Wyze Cams, but is nice for everything else. And then also the other thing that I use to hold the wires up are these little things that actually have a stick on the back side. And once you put the wire through, you just push it, snaps, and holds the wires tight. So actually really simple, really easy. Depending where you're gonna put it in, depends on how long it'll take to get it done. Thanks again.